Hi, my name is Brian, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Hubble to create modal surveys in your product. So it's very easy to get started. You just have to click on this new survey button and then just put a title. And there you go. You get this beautiful builder that is very intuitive and easy to use. You typically get a default cover screen. You can choose to remove it if you just like to get feedback directly from your users. But let me add a couple of questions here so that we can create a mock modal survey. So let's ask our users how they feel about our latest updates. Let's also ask them how easy it was to onboard. And then lastly, let's put a link so that the users that are interested can chat with our UX research team. All right, so now this is done. All you have to do after you're done with your questions is click on the publish button. Then here you get a couple of options. There's two different ways that you can trigger the study. The first one is specifying the URL, and the second one is specifying the CSS element that's going to be used as a trigger. Let me first show you how this works with the URL targeting. So I'm going to just copy and paste the URL where we're going to be demonstrating the modal survey. Then after selecting that, you'll see that there's different options here. You can add a delay so that the survey shows up after a certain period of seconds. And then there's also an option for you to change the frequency so that the survey doesn't load to your end user all the time. So you can just have it be a one-off thing. Click next, and then let's click publish. Now, if we go to the sandbox URL that I just specified, you'll see that this survey loads automatically on the bottom right. So when the end user clicks on this, they're able to give answers to the questions that we embedded into the survey. Very useful, and so on and so forth. Now let me go back and actually demonstrate how the CSS targeting works. So you can use IDs or class names to specify your CSS element, but for this example, let me keep it simple. Let me just specify a block. So I'm going to keep all the other settings the same. Now when I go back to the sandbox link, you'll be able to see that nothing loads on the visit. But when the end user clicks on this block, they'll be able to load the survey. So again, this gives you much more flexibility and options to trigger the surveys based on user interaction, which opens up more doors for you to gather contextual feedback from your users. So that is it for the demonstration. If you have any questions or if you'd like to try out our in-product surveying to gather UX insights from your users, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for watching.